Perhaps a wistful shake of the hands in the courtroom they know well. Laurent Gbagbo and his co-defendant, the youth leader Charles Ble Goude, released.
The registrar is directed to identify and enter into arrangements with states willing to accept Mr. Gbagbo and or Mr. Ble Goude on their territories and enforce the conditions set out in the judgment.
The men will very likely be called back to the court, though, as the prosecution can appeal the acquittal.
Only after we have had the opportunity to carefully examine and analyze their reasoning will my office make a decision on whether to appeal.
The scenes outside the court after the judges delivered their decision.
For the supporters who've turned out outside the International Criminal Court at every significant hearing or court date, this is the moment they've been waiting for, the day that they can celebrate the release of Laurent Gbagbo and Sharl Ble Goude.
7 years later, they had 82 witnesses, nothing was proven, and still they maintained him in prison. So it's a massive day for us. This, they've lost all credit to me. They've lost all credit.
Back in Cote d'Ivoire, this case remains highly politicized. The man who beat Laurent Gbagbo in the 2010 elections, Alassane Ouattara, remains president. For the ICC prosecutor, a number of high-profile acquittals will mean a period of reflection on how they conduct investigations and gather evidence. For Mr. Gbagbo and Mr. Ble Goude, reunification with their families. Jack Parrock, CGTN, The Hague.